So I had this turkey sitting in my freezer and I decided to make some delicious stew with it. But did you know that turkey is generally healthier than red meat? It can help with brain health by improving memory. It can help reduce cancer risk. It is high in protein and low in fat. So to get started, I had already thawed this turkey. I then put it in my air fryer for 390 degrees Fahrenheit until it was browned to my liking. I then cleaned the lemon, ginger, garlic, tomato, little bell pepper and onion very well, then cut them into my desired sizes. I then put them in my food processor and blended them roughly. And right here, I'm squeezing the lemon to make some lemon juice. And then I diced the onion. And right here, I'm getting the cooking pot ready. I'm first heating up the cooking oil, then added the onions. Then some bay leaves. And then after the onions were a little browned, I added the pepper mix. Give it a quick mix. I then added my seasoning of choice, which is bouillon, chicken seasoning, paprika, and black pepper. And I also added the lemon juice, which I forgot to film. And I finally mixed everything very well. And then I let the pepper mix cook until it was well done. And then I finally added our air fried turkey. And because the stew was a little thick, I went ahead and added in a little water to loosen it. Cover it up and let it cook for a few more minutes. And look at that. That stew is looking very delicious. At this point, I want to appreciate you for watching my videos. I would also like to request you to subscribe and hit up the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And now, it is a time to serve and enjoy. And this stew was very, very delicious. And you can have it with a side of your choice. And I hope you have been inspired to go and try this recipe. So until we meet in the next video, may the Lord bless you, may the Lord keep you, may He watch over you, and may He give you peace. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.